How might you sort of bring in cash with Cosmos? Might you at any point lose cash with Cosmos, and, surprisingly, more significantly, how would you really safeguard kind of your Cosmos speculation and keep however much you make? We will sort of begin by expressing that there exist different fledgling agreeable and profoundly remunerating approaches to bringing in cash with Cosmos. In any case, we should likewise alert that you can lose the pay from Cosmos contributing and your underlying capital venture similarly as effectively as it in a real sense was procured. Making and holding cash with Cosmos, in this manner, reduces to the specialty of adjusting between pay producing open doors and hazard openness. Assuming you put $1,000 in Cosmos on 1st January 2021, you would have developed this venture by 400% plus to $4,000 by mid-February under 2 months after the fact. Essentially, in the event that you in a real sense had put $1,000 in Cosmos at its pinnacle cost of $29 on 8 May 2021, you would have lost over 65% and had your venture by and large psychologist to $350 by 23 May, under about 14 days after the fact. Obviously, the specialty of making and losing cash with Cosmos or some other cryptographic money is more confounded, particularly when you consider the different outside factors, in spite of prevalent thinking. This post will, be that as it may, for the most part try to work on this by assisting you with understanding direct approaches to bringing in cash with Atom accessible to you, how others have generally lost Cosmos interests previously, and how to keep up with the honesty of your speculation. Instructions to especially make money with Cosmos, Atom, which is genuinely huge. We want to begin by referencing that Atom is intended to act as the local token for the Cosmos organization, the web of blockchain. It has, nonetheless, been gotten as a speculative venture item by the crypto local area, who get by out of collaborating with it in various ways. Here explicitly are the 3 generally normal. 1. Effective financial planning, hodling. Putting resources into Cosmos by and large must be the least demanding and most amateur amicable approach to bringing in cash with Atom. By effective money management, we mean purchasing and clutching Atom tokens for quite a while, looking as the crypto and your venture value in esteem, which is very huge. Take a gander at it along these lines. Cosmos was sent off through an ICO on 5 April 2017. Where 236 million Atom tokens were sold for $17.3 million, providing it with a starting cost of 7 cents in a significant manner. 4.5 years after the fact, the altcoin cost midpoints $30. This says that assuming you had taken part in the Cosmos ICO and contributed $1,000, this worth venture would have valued by 42,000% to reach $420,000 today. To begin with Cosmos contributing, you just have to make a client account with a trade that rundowns Atom, stores reserves, purchases Atom tokens, and moves them to a crypto wallet. 2. In a significant manner. Exchanging, or so they thought. Exchanging is a momentary contributing methodology. It includes purchasing Atom tokens if conceivable in a plunge, and selling them quickly, their cost gets to the next level. The exceptionally unpredictable nature of Cosmos's cost activity makes it an ideal exchanging instrument. Take a gander at it along these lines, it is entirely expected at Cosmos costs to vary by 2-digit % rates in a day. In the event that you are sufficiently capable and can figure out how to cull an increase of simply 1% each day, you will generally have developed your Cosmos venture by 365% toward the year's end. 3. Marking. Indeed, you can stake Atom tokens in the Cosmos hub as a trade-off for the freedoms to decide on recommendations on the organization, the honor of getting the Cosmos organization, and the prize is as more Atom tokens. Right now, the run-of-the-mill loan fee on the Cosmos hub essentially is 9.7% every year. That sort of is to express that for each 1,000 Atom tokens you secure in the center, you will get an extra 89.18 atoms, less the 10.28% commission. Right now, the base marking limit for the main 100 validators seeking run full hubs for the stage is 39,047 atoms. You can likewise by and large decide to stake by and large lower atom tokens on outsider stages as the Exodus wallet for comparable prizes. Ways of losing money with Cosmos, Atom. Indiscreet exchanging, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. We call it thoughtless exchanging on the grounds that, while it is dangerous ordinarily, not every person who exchanges Cosmos loses their venture, which is genuinely huge. You possibly lose cash while exchanging Cosmos and practically some other crypto monetary instrument on the off chance that you exchange without a system or permit feelings to cloud your exchange's speculation choices. You will likewise lose cash while exchanging on the off chance that you are unpracticed and don't approach the genuinely necessary exchanging, examination, and exploration apparatuses. Universe robbery and hacks. There likewise is the gamble of losing your Cosmos venture to programmers. In the main portion of 2021, for example, CipherTrace reports that more than $681 million worth of crypto resources had been lost to programmers and other cybercriminals amazingly. The report likewise shows that programmers are progressively focusing on the DeFi specialty, a vital precept of the Cosmos environment, consequently the motivation to be mindful of DeFi conventions and venture-centered crypto dApps. Arrangement. There are a few estimates you can take to safeguard your Atom venture from hacks and openness to digital-related violations. First off, you will need to put resources into a dependable equipment wallet that stores your Cosmos keys disconnected. On the off chance that you should cooperate with the DeFi activities and speculation dApps, vet them and their engineers completely prior to effective money management. We might likewise want to in a real sense urge you to begin little and try not to have all your Atom eggs in one DeFi dApps crate. Crypto tricks. Crypto tricks are additionally on the ascent, and they range from crypto Ponzi and fraudulent business models to mat pulls, crypto siphon and dump plans, and phishing through counterfeit messages, sites, and web-based entertainment advancements. They for the most part have a couple of things in truly normal. Most speculation plans guarantee above market rate profits from venture without delving into subtleties on how this is understood. Phishing tricks, then again, frequently include activity-based prompts, for example, an earnest need to change your wallet dealer account qualifications in an unobtrusive way. Arrangement. You can abstain from succumbing to tricks by keeping up with sensible assumptions with regards to crypto speculations. First of all, try not to succumb to MLM plans that guarantee exceptional yields on speculation, particularly when they are planned or advanced